Poverty does something to you that people who have never experienced it will never understand. It doesn't test your finance, it tests your spirit, your dignity, and your strength. And sometimes the hardest battle you fight are the one no one else can see. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about what poverty taught me about strength. Poverty is not just about having little money. It is about living with constant pressure. Pressure to survive, pressure to provide, pressure to keep going, even when everything around you feels like it is collapsing. When you are poor, simple things become more heavier. You wake up in the morning already thinking about the problems. How will I pay school fees today? What will happen if something goes wrong tomorrow? Every small decision feels like it carries the weight of the future. You wake up already in the morning thinking about problems. How will I feed my family today? How will I pay for school fees? What will happen if something goes wrong tomorrow? Every small decision feels like it carries the weight of the future. Poverty is also exposed you to something painful, how people treat you differently. Sometimes people begin to look down on you, sometimes stop believing in you, sometimes assume that because you are struggling financially, you must also lack ability or intelligence. And slowly, if you are not careful, those voices can begin to affect the way you see yourself. There is a moment when I felt exhausted by the struggle, moment when I questioned whether things will never, ever change. Think about the child who studied under a candle, but there is no electricity, yet still dreams of becoming educated. Think about the parent who worked 2 or 3 small jobs just to make sure their children never sleep hungry. Think about the person who walks long distance every day searching for opportunities while others giving up. Those people may not look powerful to the world, but inside them is a level of strength that cannot be taught in comfortable environment. Poverty is a pain. No one wishes to live in it, but it can shape a person into something incredible strong. It can teach you discipline, resilience, gratitude, and determination. One day, when opportunity finally appears, the person who had endured hardship is often the one who knows how to fight for them. If you are currently facing poverty or difficult circumstances, remember this. Your situation does not define your future. The struggle you are going through today build a strength inside you that will carry you through tomorrow. Sometimes the strongest people in the world are not the one who had easy life. They are the one who survived the hard ones. And the strength you are building right now might become the very foundation of the life you are still working to create. Giving up is not an option because now you are struggling today. Things are not going well. You have to stay strong because sometimes the situations that we go through, they teach us to be strong. They create they mold a strongest person in you. One day you will turn back and look and say, how did I come out of that situation? While God has the plans with you. Poverty taught me that if you walk through painful things, but trust in God, And know that everything that you are going through is a lesson. Everything that you are going through, it teaches you something. It makes you stronger. It makes you be a better person. So guys, that's what poverty taught me. I'm not afraid of any situation that can come by me or that I can come across. I'm not afraid because I have been there and I know how I will come out. You mustn't be shaken with those storms and rains and thunder that you are coming across in your life. It is seasonal. The trees, they survive winds that blows very hard, but you will never saw a tree that is fallen because of those wind. The tree that falls when that wind blows is a dry tree. But those ones that are still strong, they are not. They don't fall. Why? Because they learn something. Because they stand they stand strong for everything that come across. People who have never struggled, people who have never suffered a lot in their life, they will never understand. But I went through a lot, but I will never give up. I will never give up. And everything that I come across, I know it's a lesson. And I have learned the hard way that every situation that you come across, you must learn something. If you come out of a situation without any lesson from it, which means it was not a hard situation. So guys, in every situation that you face, learn something out of it. Learn something out of it, because poverty taught me to be strong. Poverty taught me that there is no friend who will come and fight for you. There is no one. Poverty taught me that every situation, don't just act. Sit down, think through, and have plans. How are you going to go out of this situation? And with God by our side, you will never suffer. Everything that comes to us, God knows about it, and He gives us strength to conquer. He gives us strength to win. So, guys, giving up is not an option. Poverty, it's a season in life that sometimes you have to go through it. Sometimes you have to go through it to learn something and to be a better person. The future, some people, even if you go and interview the celebrities, people that are famous, go and ask them, how did you reach this level? They will tell you how they struggled. How they struggled from the childhood, from high school. They will tell you the story that you will be surprised. You can do it. You can do it. You can survive after a struggle. You can do it. You can learn something from it. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for those who subscribe to my channel. Keep on subscribing. Keep on subscribing. Like, comment, and share. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on my next video.